Let's begin by listening closely to the sound from the speaker. We are going to create a fun program called Manual Tone Control. In this project, we will use a program to control changes in pitch, just like adjusting the notes of music. You will use the variable resistor to adjust the tone, sliding it to change the pitch. When you slide it up or down, the tone changes higher when you push it one way, lower when you push it the other. You can even choose the very highest note and the very lowest note, so the sounds can fit just the way you like. Try moving the slider slowly and quickly, and listen to how the sound changes. Can you make a short melody, or maybe a funny sound? Every time you move the slider, you are creating music just like a tiny composer. Have fun exploring all the different tones and see what sounds you can make.